everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. Today I'm going to show you how to make Teddy Sushi Rolls. So these are what you need to make Teddy Sushi Rolls. Sushi rice, nori seaweed, sushi mat, some soy sauce, bowl of water to keep your hands wet all the time as you work on sushi. But first, let's make some brown rice for the teddy part. Take some rice in a bowl like this and add some soy sauce to make it brown. Brown rice is ready. Prepare one sheet of nori seaweed and I'm going to cut it into 3. So let's fold it like this. And nori seaweed is very crispy, so when you fold it, it will cut like this. And put these two together. And you cut it this way, so let's fold it like this. And cut. You have 1 full length, 4 half lengths nori seaweed. And let's cut this one into half again. Now you have 1 full length, 3 half lengths, and 2 quarter lengths nori seaweed. And this one, you put it back into the package of your nori seaweed and we're going to use it later. And at first, we are going to make ears of the teddy. So let's put this long one and half length one aside. And put these 2 mini nori seaweed in the middle of the sushi mat horizontally. And nori seaweed has front side and back side, or shiny side and rough side. And you always put the rice on the rough side so the shiny side goes outside your sushi so it looks prettier. So place 2 pieces in the middle horizontally, rough side facing up. Then wet your hands completely to the palm like this, but not too soggy. And take just a little bit of this brown rice and gently squeeze it into long shape like this and place it in the middle of this mini nori seaweed. And make sure it goes through from the left edge to the right edge. No gap on both ends. And it's even. It's not high in the middle or at the end. It's even. And then using your fingers, you roll it up. You're making this mini baby sushi, 2 of them. If you have too much rice, you will have chubby teddy. Make sure you have just a little amount of rice. It's like your pinky size sushi. Put it aside. Then, using this half length nori seaweed, let's make nose part of the teddy. So wet your hands. Take about this amount of rice. Make it into a barrel shape or drum shape like this and place it in the middle. Make sure it goes from the left edge to the right edge. Make it round when you see it from the side. And using this nori seaweed, you roll it up. Round shape like this. And using this another half length nori seaweed, we are making face part. So wet your hands. Take some brown rice, about this much. Place it in the middle and you spread this all over this nori seaweed. And it's very easy to add rice, but it's very difficult to remove rice. So make sure you start with a little amount. And if this is not enough, you can just add little by little. But always start with a little amount. I have half length nori seaweed covered with the brown rice. And then you put this nose part with the white rice in the middle of this brown rice. And wrap it up using this brown part, face part. This, and this is going to be the face of the teddy. Full length nori seaweed, rough side up, vertical. Wet your hands and take about golf ball size rice like this and put it in the middle. Spread this all over, but make sure to leave pinky size gap at the top, at the bottom. Again, start with a little amount, which is a golf ball size, and if it's not enough to cover other than the pinky size gap, you can add little by little. So this full length nori seaweed is covered with the white rice, other than the pinky size gap at the top, at the bottom. Now, I'm making a little bump right in the middle. Tiny, tiny bump. And then 1 pinky above the middle bump and one pinky below the bump. You need 2 more bumps. So right in the middle, you have 3 bumps, pinky away. Between those bumps, you put the ears you made at first, like this. And then you put this face part with this white part facing up. But when you see it from the side, it should be looking like this. It's upside down. Teddy. Then bring both gap together, pinch it, and fold this rim onto one side, whichever you like. Flip it over. Prepare plastic film on your sushi mat. Put the teddy at the bottom of the plastic wrap and wrap it up tight. Tight this way and loose this way. And you put it aside and let it sit for about 5 minutes to settle. After 5 minutes resting, you cut your teddy into 3 slices. So prepare a knife and soaking wet cloth. Soaking wet. And this cloth is to clean the knife, so your knife is always clean and slightly wet. Just like your hands, your knife should be clean and wet all the time. So clean it and wet it slightly. And you're going to cut this into 3 with the film on. Keep the film on. And when you cut sushi, make sure you slice. You never chop, slice into 3. And if the knife starts to squish your sushi, don't go any farther. You just back off and clean your knife again and try again. Make sure your knife is always clean and wet. And now you have Teddy Sushi ready. So let's put some face. Bring back the nori seaweed, put it back into the package of your nori seaweed. And let's cut it out into parts. I'm using this nori punch. That looks like a craft punch. You can use craft punch. And if you don't have either of them, nori punch or craft punch, you can just be creative. Use whatever you have. Sesame seeds will do, beans will do, whatever you like to put the face. So let's cut out nori seaweed using this nori punch. And prepare a toothpick, and you're going to pick up the parts using the back side of the toothpick. When the back side of the toothpick is dry, it doesn't pick up the parts, so you need to wet it to pick the parts up. Wet the back side and pick up the parts. Now they have face, so let's serve it on the serving plate. Remove the film and serve. And your Teddy Sushi is good to go. So this is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making and eating this cute Teddy Sushi. Your kid's gonna love it. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now and see you in next video.